This is Don Goudreau with Prudential Verani Realty. I'm out here in Jaffrey to talk to Chris Stewart, and he is the CEO for Colonial Green Spray Foam Insulation and Building Products and Colonial Construction Services of New England. We're here with Chris Stewart. Chris, how's it going?
Good.
Oh, good. Why don't you give us a little idea of what we're standing in front of here? You're the owner and CEO of Colonial Green?
Yes. We have, this is our state-of-the-art spray foam insulation rig where we install spray foam insulation into new homes and existing homes and commercial buildings. We're also a dealer for bio-based insulation, which is a very green, LEED certified and ICC certified spray foam insulation product. We spray both the open cell and the closed cell spray foam products. They give you a complete air seal, vapor barrier, and a very high R value for the insulation, which makes it a state-of-the-art insulation product, which everybody's going toward this way and learning that if they invest in the insulation, they're going to save lots of money in oil and energy costs. So we've decided that we wanted to make the investment into this state-of-the-art equipment here and have truly the best equipment, best trained crew who understands the construction business and understands the construction of homes, and therefore also have been factory certified to install this. And having done all of that, we truly have a state-of-the-art company who's able to satisfy any need or any building environment that there may be, whether it be an old home with leaky foundations that we need to seal up, or whether it's a new home that just needs new insulation, or a commercial building that they want to make their entire facility more energy efficient.
What areas do you cover, Chris?
We cover New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Vermont, and Maine, with our corporate headquarters located in Jaffrey, New Hampshire.
Okay. Well, do you want to do a once around on the unit?
Sure.
This is all operated by diesel?
Yes, it's operated with a diesel-powered generator, which is a 60 kW generator, which is enough to power 10 houses on any given day. And then we have a very large air compressor in there, and air tanks and so forth in here, which powers all of the equipment that's up back.
That's quite the technology.
It is truly state-of-the-art.
Does your competition have this type of stuff?
No, most of the competition has to be able to plug into the electric panel, which typically costs the homeowner another $300 or $400 a day while they're doing their project. Whereas we don't need to do that. This whole system consumes only 4 gallons of diesel per day that we're operating. So obviously there's a big difference in cost to the customer as well as to the environment as well while you're doing it.
So that's a hidden cost. When they get the quote from the other guy that's lower,
yes,
they got to factor in $400 a day for the job.
Exactly.
All right.
We have a state-of-the-art Evolution Proportioner here, which is the highest output machine made today, and it allows us to be more efficient, get jobs done quicker, and have more consistency with the products as well. And then we have a full fresh air system for the crew, so when the crew is in doing the job, they're breathing fresh air. And we're factory certified, and these types of systems are imperative to the operation. And we have the heated hose here, 200 feet of heated hose that sprays the chemical. And then up in here we have the tanks of chemicals. Each set consists of 2 55-gallon drums, which are heated, and the chemical is run through the proportioner and comes out the hose. Everything here is also computer controlled. All of our controls for the engine and everything are up there. And as you can see, we've got all of the equipment and everything that we would need to do the job right.
Can you operate the system regardless of the weather?
Yes.
Yeah.
We can operate in any condition. We can also operate anywhere we need to.
I see. Very interesting. So it pretty much, say a house of 1,500 feet, what would a normal job be? You got so much prep time and so much wrap-up time?
If we were doing an entire 1,500 square foot house, it would take us about 2 days.
I see. Very good. And so with this being an actual trailer, you can just pull it behind, and as long as you have a road to run on, you can get there.
That's right.
Yeah.
We can also get it in some pretty tricky places if we need to for accessibility.
Very good.
We're able to drop the rig in the dooryard and only pick it up when we come back.
This rig seems like different from other ones that are on the market as far as the competition's using. So, is there an exclusivity right now on this product?
Yeah, this is the state-of-the-art rig in the business right now. There's only one other one like it in New England. And it's a brand new equipment. It just came out and operates more efficiently than any other rig out there, which is why we bought it.
Can you explain the product a little more, the actual foam?
The bio-based foam is a polyurethane spray foam. It has a soy oil base. It's 17% soy oil. And they use the soy oil instead of a petroleum product, which makes it a lot more greener than the other spray foam products that are out on the market today. It also works better with no adverse components to it. The rodents and ants and insects and everything still don't like it. They won't touch it because it's still a polyurethane spray foam. When the foam itself dries, it's rock hard when it goes into the wall, and gives you a complete air barrier, vapor barrier, and doesn't allow the heat transfer to the outside of the structure.
This is really a science.
It really is. Everything we do is all science-based, and you have to have all of your components exactly right, otherwise it does not work.
Say I were to go get a couple cans of Tiger Foam and try to match up with what you're doing. Are you familiar with that product, and how does it compare?
I am, and there's no comparison.
Yeah.
Ours has much better adhesion, and you really have to ask yourself if you really want to use a do-it-yourself kit, because when you spray this stuff in, it expands 1,000% inside of 2 seconds, and if you get any of that in your airway whatsoever, it could close off your airway, which is the reason why we have full fresh air breathing systems and complete suits and everything for the crews.
Chris, this is part one of a two-part series. I'm coming back next week to see an actual demonstration. What can we expect at the demonstration?
You'll be able to actually see the foam being sprayed and see how it goes in, and it'll be a good demonstration on how we do it.
Excellent. Well, thanks for joining us, Chris. Why don't you tell people how to get in contact with you if they want to do business?
You can go to colonialgreenproducts.com, or you can call us at our corporate office at 603-532-7005.
Very good. This is Don Goudreau, Prudential Verani Realty, signing off. You can reach me at dongoudreau.com, DONGOUDREAU.com. Thank you.